Okay, so apologies, I've had to do this in a second video. I've nicked my daughter's iPad and I'm using up all her storage. But here we go. Now, this isn't everyone's cup of tea, but as you can see, I've gone completely and utterly bonkerville. And I've gone for a toadstool theme. I don't know what came over me. I just love it. But like I say, it's not everyone's cup of tea, and you're either going to love it or hate it. But oh wow, you know, let the creativity just flow. It's spring. So no, I haven't finished this side yet, but as you can see, it's not bad for about 3 hours work. It's got to be defined, but I'm going to take you on my journey of Bonkerville, and we will go through Tink's discovery of her personality as we go along. So I'm doing the outside first, and then basically I'll start working on the inside, and again, that's going to be a step-by-step process. Okay, so if you wanted to sort of like check out my Facebook page and have a look at some previous photos of other vans I've done and stuff, it's Fairy Sensations, or you can go to my website at www.fairysensations.co.uk, and there's a link on there which will show you Tilly, my very first caravan. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. So this is just wanted to show you here. See, I've just done like a wood effect on the door, used a wood graining tool on that one. I've used Ron Seal paint, which is the best. I love that paint. It's got a lovely finish on it. But as you can see, you know, it's a good watertight, protects the van, does concrete, does wood, does metal. It's fantastic. And I also wanted to quickly show you the bonnet of my car. Yay! That, you wouldn't even know I was in the neighbourhood. Every time this car comes around, oh yeah, I'm incognito. Yeah. I'm trying to play undercover. Driving around with a great big unicorn on my car. I'm so subtle. But there you go. So that's the beginning of Tink. So remember, she's nowhere near finished yet, but I was just playing around. So, a bit of a Marmite thing, I think. I've gone completely unconventional. I haven't gone for the normal shabby chic look. I have gone mad. I've gone down that rabbit hole. I'm going down there fast, and I'm loving it. Alright? So, I shall keep you updated and show you my progress as I go along. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye now.